How's it going, guys? We're back. A little short clip of just doing the motor mount, the rear motor mount on a subframe. I'm under a limited budget and I can replace this at any other time, but for the time being, since I can't use the torque mounts on the transmission since it's a cable and the AC side, I have to fix a bolt, but that's all good. We'll eventually get those in because I want that, or get like a torque damper for the shock tower. But to strengthen this rear mount, since the motor does that moving when you're shifting, reversing, going forward, it's under a load, whatever, I'm going to try to eliminate that by doing a quick little window weld. So I got this stuff from the store. It's just your basic windshield auto glass urethane, right? So all I gotta do is pull the back off, stick it back in the gun, and then we're basically just gonna be filling in all these areas where this thing can flex up and down, and that'll essentially turn this mount into a solid mount, or at least solid enough for those clutch drops and everything else we're gonna be doing. Because while the car will be nice and look nice and I'll drive it nice, I'm also going to be mean to it every now and then. So I'm going to pause right here, get all this set up, and then just give a little shot of filling in all the cracks on there. So I'll be right back. Okay, so first side, let's see how good of an angle we can get here. Gonna open the box. I'm just using the box to, that way I don't get anything dirty. Okay, so that's good. Make sure the camera's good here. Alright, so we'll see the tip just fill up here after a couple triggers. Stuff's liquid, but man, does it dry pretty hard. I really wish I would have found a hard level, because this one says medium strength, but I'm not complaining, man. It's going to be a $15 solid mount. So I'm just going to be filling in this gap. It really seems like doing it one-handed is just going to get messy and stuff. So I'm going to pause again right here and then come back after I've done this one side, flip it over, do that side, keep you updated. So I'll be right back. Okay, so side one is done. I might smooth it out a little bit, but man, you ain't even gonna see this thing once the intake and everything's on. So flip it over. Let's see how it is. That's all air or gap. So let's see if it came out the other side. It did not. So we're gonna have to fill in this and that. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the other side. This is the first side. I'm going to go get a glove. Maybe try to make it look smooth and like it's supposed to be there. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back again. So here's the first smooth out. It looks like I could probably redo that one little spot, but man, it's better like looked at it kind of like this. Get my flashlight on there, and you can see once this stuff dries, because it dries rock hard, that mount ain't moving. So I'm gonna get a fresh glove, because the trick to kind of getting it smooth like that was a clean finger. So just gonna get another glove and keep going. Okay, so we're all finished. You can see all my finger marks from wiping my fingers with the gloves on. 2 gloves, 1 light, 1 thing of window weld, 1 mount. Let's check it out. Alright, so I've got it all filled in. And it's just gonna dry solid. It's not the prettiest, but it's not the goal here. It's just all filled in. It's gonna dry solid. Make sure I'm not getting this shit on my fingers. But y'all get the point. Solid motor mount. 5-minute video on how to do a solid motor mount, but hey, we're here. Solid rear motor mount. And you can even do this because on the other ones, like the post mount, your transmission mount, they're meant to go out like this. Maybe not. And I'm really interested to see the vibration level on the medium, just because my post mount is a mid-grade Hasport, but then my transmission mount is a 90 something, so it's like gonna be a weird mix altogether. But I mean, that's kind of what happens when you build on a budget. So I'm gonna end this clip here, in this video here. This is just gonna be a short release on the channel, just to kind of keep y'all updated on things that I'm doing, and then y'all will get to see me putting the head together and on the block, and then we can finally get the motor in the car. So it's good giving y'all a little update, and I'm gonna get this video up on the channel and see you in the next one. Closer and closer, getting Bullet Bill back on the road. Peace out, y'all.